So in today's video, we're going to talk about how we can use GenSpark for graphic design research. Just assume that you have, let's say, a task as a graphic designer. Let's say we have a simple task. You're looking into what is the meaning of colors across different cultures, right? So that's like something theoretical, but has practical applications, right? Like the implications of that finding of that research would be that you design a website that's pertinent to the beliefs that the target audience has and the feelings that are evoked from those colors, right? Like you can't just be applying black and white palettes all over the place and expecting that everybody will be registering it the same. Another practical application of a research agent is to help you get a job by making your resume more ATS friendly, right? So it's common knowledge that resumes, when they get submitted into a company's database, eventually those get scanned by a robot, right? They just are looked at for certain keywords. If those keywords are there, then your resume is going to make it to the next round. That's usually how it works. And then another application could be market research, right? So imagine that you're just looking to find all the websites with earthy monochromatic tones, something very concrete. And as you can see, really the theme here is to have concrete goals, right? Like if you can phrase it in one simple question, that is a major step forward to getting the job done really well by the agent. Now we're going to go into the example of what is the meaning of colors across different cultures. Okay, in this example, we're going to use this particular prompt in order for me to get some research on the meaning of colors across different cultures. As part of this graphic design assignment that I have for myself, I want to make a YouTube video using this research. So let's see what it can do. As saying I'm creating a video on the meaning of colors across cultures, return a well-formatted report with a table on the meaning of colors across all major cultures, giving some examples here just to make sure that it picks up on the nuances. And let's add a bit of a treat to it and say make it into a presentation. So we're going to go ahead and let it do its thing, and it's going to come back after thinking, and we'll be right back. Okay, and GenSpark is off to a blazing start. It did the research and has come up with an incredible set of slides, honestly. They were all coded using HTML, and over here we're looking at it, making them one by one. We'll be right back with some more content. Jesus, check this presentation out. One page after another. Okay. Indeed, I mean, it just breaks it down here into cards. This is like a legitimate system that you can use for doing your research and getting a final product out. All of it looks accurate, and you even have characters and ideograms that correspond to like the corresponding culture. There are some nuances here, of course, that you can improve upon, but this gets like 9 out of 10 at the very least. And I'd say, this is content that I'm gonna just soak in and just really learn a lot of things from. So yeah, that was GenSpark's ability on generating a presentation on colors. Okay, and here we got some amazing results, as you saw earlier, the presentation. And honestly, this is something you can just share, right? Like you have this permanently not in the records, and I can save it as a PDF, as you can see up here.